The next part of the problem is to derive the next rate equation, that is Q plus. So we are going to use this truth table here and try to find the equation for Q plus. So let's draw the K map. So the K map would have three inputs: R, HQ, R can be 0, 1, HQ can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Let's fill the truth table. So that is going to be, so Q plus is asserted for all the combinations from 0, 1, 1 to 1, 1, 1. So your Q plus equation would be all these. So let's try to come up with the minimal equation. So these two can be paired up, and I can pair up these four. Therefore, Q plus equals, this guy would be HQ, and this would be R. So R plus H, the previous value of Q. So that's the next rate equation. The third part of the problem is to complete the timing diagram for Q. Here, R is initially 1 and then it goes to 0. H is initially 1 and after a certain point of time it goes to 0 for a few time units and then goes back to 1. The initial value of Q is 0. Now we are going to use the truth table to find the timing diagram for Q. So if you remember, when R is 0, H is 0, it is reset. So let's write it here. R is 0, H is 0, that's reset. When R is 0 and H is 1, that is hold. When R is 1, H is 0, that's invalid. And when R is 1, H is 1, that is set. So let's come up with the timing diagram. So let's come up with the timing diagram. Here R is 1, H is 1, R is 0, H is 1, R is 0, H is 0, and R is 0, H is 1. So when R is 1 and H is 1, that is the set operation. So we do this. It's set to high. So this is going to be done after a few time units. When R is 0, H is 1, that's the hold operation. So we continue to hold the value. When R is 0, H is 0, that's reset. So reset the value. When R is 0, H is 1, that's hold. So we continue to hold the value. So this is the timing chart for Q or Q plus.